Ritana ria ngavana Lee Kinyanjui riukite riri andu eri kuuma kaunti ya Naikuru mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo mari arwaru a homa ya COVID-19. Ngavana akiuga mugaru na hau gabere uria homa ino irarehagwo ni andu kuuma nja wa bururi riu iratambio thiini wa mihaka ya Kenya.
Seen one person can infect over 100 people within a very short span. Those 100 people can also infect another 100 each. So the web is going to expand, and within another 1 month it will be a total chaos here.
Kuringana na Lee Kinyanjui migendere ya andu kuma ituri imwe cia bururi nginyagia iria ingi ni undu ugukorwo kiiga bururi ugwati-ini munene wa utambio wa homa ino riu akiuria mutongoria wa bururi kurugamia mihango yothe utuku na muthenya.
So we are also calling for a total lockdown. We would rather fight the consequences of hunger than the consequences of 10,000, 20,000 people infected. Akiheana
muhano na murwaru umwe kuma kaunti ya Naikuru na uria urekirirwo mukonde gukorwo ari na homa ino muthenya wa ira, gavana augite kurwo mukana uyu ni wekiritwo hau gabere na baya arwaru na aria marekwirwo gukorwo na homa ino ingire nini.
We would rather have a lockdown now when our numbers are within the 100 or so digits than when we are 10,000. So why have half measure when you can go the full hog?
Ritana riri riukite ona thengia wa gukorwo kuri na meciria ngurani makana bururi ni ubatie kwanirirwo lockdown, amwe makiuga ati ya Kenya ingi no mathinekane na gikiro kinene kuna matire na uhoti munene wa kimuhuko, guku angi nao makiuga Kenya ibatie kurumirira makinya maria matacukire ni mabũrũri mangi thiini wa thi, na minister wa ugima wa muingi mutahikagwe ni augite agikorwo bururi ni ugutua itua tariri ni ugubatara guthingata maundu matiganite.
I recommend a total lockdown of Nairobi County, which is for all intents and purposes the epicenter here in Kenya. Conversely, I suggest the public service vehicles plying from Nairobi to rural counties, specifically Kakamega County, be stopped from this service to curb the urban-rural proliferation of this virus for the next 14 days.
Kuri uguo Kinyanjui ni athingatite andu aria mari keheri-ini gutia watho wa guikara keheri-ini.
We are calling upon all those who are on quarantine and isolation to respect the terms of the isolation, so that you are not in isolation and in the evening you want to go and see a friend, you want to meet your relatives, you want to meet your family.
Ni kuumana na ugwati uyu ngavana Lee oritie andu guthie na mbere na kwigitira kuumana na utambio wa homa ino, na kuuga thirikari ndiri na uhoti wa gutangikira namba nene ya arwaru.
That there are very few ICU beds. If you talk about 7 ICU beds, if you're in a situation where you need 100, it means all the others will not get it.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ni itanyitwo kwanjiria mihango ya kuhiriria dawa tauni utuku wa umuthi makihuthira ngari cia thima mwaki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.